Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN.
So our one edge is up, and now we will activate another edge, and then you guys can try at least make your one edge up, so that till tomorrow your all lab will be up. Okay, later on you can activate your other devices. So I will activate one more device just to show you. So admin, admin, and for that one I can just stop and delete this one. There is no use. Okay, then start. Now I can see on branch 2 what IP I have taken. So previously I was defining everything, every configuration step. So I already defined. So I will do fast now. If any question, you please ask me what I'm doing. Because GE0/1, no tunnel interface is by default configured. So I'm not removing any tunnel interface because it's not there already. Only GE0/0 is by default configured with tunnel interface. and we do some basic configuration because this interface is part of MPLS. So you connect to the MPLS ISP. So you configure like this. Okay, it is formed now. On the vManage you will see right now it is not changed. You can see the icon certificate install here, nothing is there, but still it's under process. It's just hitting to the vManage. Here you can change, it is changed now. It's changed now. Device name is there. Okay, ph1 branch 2 branch 1. Okay, so here our two devices are up. First time it will hit, then it's down again. It will take time and then it will make the final session. Here you can see it hit to the vManage, but you can see that it is still down VH branch 2 because it just hit, and now it will make that final tunnel again after get verified is certificate, because right now it's hit, it exchange the certificate, vManage sign it, return it, now it's down, now it will make a final control connection with all certificates, signed certificates. So it will be up in some time. Here we can see it should be up. Yeah, it is up now, and here it's change. You can see it's change now. So that's way the our two edges are up now. So give me tomorrow we will configure some template also, and we will see other things like, okay, one more thing I would like to show you. Right now we have not configured any LAN interface, right? Nothing is there. So right now there will be no BFD session. Maybe show BFD sessions like tab, because node site is communicating with other sites, right? Two BFD session are there. Yeah, BFD session is there, sorry. I think OMP routes will not able to see because there is no LAN routes are configured on any of the edge. So it's blank. You can see show OMP routes means nothing is there for the OMP. What OMP should advertise? Because nothing is there. No LAN traffic is there. OMP work is just to overlay management protocol. So it is responsible for the routing for the subnets. So public, for the public one, there is other mechanism. So BFD session, it's already there. Source, I'm on branch 2. Branch 2 source is this. Destination is 11. Another same source is this, same 13 IP, and destination is 12. So by default it is full mesh. Now, other thing it is showing, source is this, destination is 11, system IP will be 1.1.10, local color MPLS, and the other destination is public internet, state is up. Okay, the TX internet 1000 something, time is 51 seconds. It is up. So local color MPLS, MPLS to MPLS is forming a tunnel. From MPLS to public internet is also forming a tunnel, right? What is site ID of that? That is 10. Look for the local one, we already know because we are logging here. Okay. So in the OMP route, you can see nothing is there. What I will do, I will configure one interface on this. I am on branch 2 here. So I will configure this GE02 with the IP. Okay.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.